reason why we decided to get a conservatory was to enlarge the space that we had downstairs in our home, where the children can do activities, homework, arts and crafts, and the things that they like to enjoy. The main reason that we went for Conservatory Land was because it had a really easy to use website, very user friendly, and great reviews. There was really helpful staff who then contacted me and talked me through the process, and he was super helpful. Just editing that design process to fit perfectly with the house. When they described to me how the base worked and how easy it was to install and how little effect that had on the rest of the garden, it was a no-brainer for me. Conservatory Land were in contact with me on a daily basis to make sure I was happy with how everything was going. All his guys that he had with him were so polite, very professional, they were clean, they were tidy. Just having that outside come inside to your home has made a huge impact. We absolutely love it. I would definitely recommend Conservatory Land to anybody that's looking for an additional space in their home.